Find your feet and lift. Bend your knees and lift. We'll start right, left, right, left, right, left. Hang in there with me. Chest. 1, 2. Belly 2. Look right. Other side. Same thing. Look side. Other side. And forward. 4, 5, 6. Your hip should be on right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to center. 2. Other side, same thing. Right. 2. Back to center. I haven't dropped the beat. Let's double time it. Right, left. Starting with some arms up. Down. Up. And down. Move your head. Circle. Circle. And one more. Other side. And shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8, and side. I'm not dropping the beat. Still on the right 2, right 2, right 2, switch side, center 2, center 2. Pick that leg up. Don't drop the beat. Put it down. Double time. Push, push, full shimmy, and side. Don't drop the boot. Side. Center. Keep the shimmy going. And up. Center. Drop your shimmy. Arms. Thanking yourself for being here. Roll it up. Reach it up and down. All the way down. Roll it up. Stretch. Switch it up. Wide feet. Forward fold. Roll it up. Walk your feet in. Thanking your body for its hard work, but most of all, for giving yourself a few minutes. Take care.